stopping by. How you guys doing today? Mega love shout out. Team Happy is in the building. It is 3:34 a.m. Monday morning. In front of me is a chicken truck. This is the truck that hauls live chickens. Welcome in. I am on Route 129, heading towards I-85 North, heading to South Kakalaki, South Carolina. For coming in. You guys are riding shotgun with me. on these roads, the only thing I'm afraid of is deers running out in the street. Because it's breeding season and they all over the place. Welcome in, welcome in. Thanks for riding shotgun with me.
Hi, Samantha. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Thank you for coming by. Going to Carolina. Yeah, it sounds fun. Sounds like we're gonna have a nice ride. The weather's not bad.
Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Again, I'm on Route 129 heading towards I-85 northbound to the Kakalaki, South
Thank you
Kakalaki.
for hitting the like button. I
Don't forget to
appreciate
like
it.
the video. Double tap on your phone screen to like the video, please.
Thank you, Gina. Subscribe. Thank you for the subscription. We have 4 hours.
3 hours and 45. Please double tap to like the video. Double tap your phone screen to like this video.
Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Yes. 4. And we're now a little bit under 4. It's like 3 hours and some change. Hey, Slicey. J30. Yes, Samantha. No, not sleepy at all. We just woke up.
When I get up here, I'm going to show you guys something because I have to detach from the trailer and hook back up because my ABS light is on. It's not supposed to be.
Hi, Samantha.
This attachment QT is not supposed to be done. It wasn't on before.
ABS.
And it's not supposed to go back on.
Hey, Jesse. We're heading to Carolina. Thank you for stopping by. Yes. And please don't forget to double tap on your way in or on your way out. Much appreciated. Thank you. Yes, Samantha. Make a glove shout out, Samantha. She's running from the police. Thank you, Village Foodie. Blessings to you as well. Thank you for the like. I appreciate you. How are you doing? I hope all is well with your family. I hope you guys are having a great holiday. And I hope you guys have an even better 2026 in a couple of days. That's good. That's good.
Village food.
Yeah.
What's up, Village food?
AD Moore said, what's up? Said, Happy Christmas. Thank you. Happy Christmas to you as well. Right now we're in Georgia. Jesse. I hope 2026 is a great one for us as well. And yes, much abundance. And when I say it's starting off right, it is starting off right.
It's not here.
It hasn't got here, but it's starting. I said starting off. Even though it hasn't got here yet, but hey, I have no complaints right now. Samantha, yeah. You're gonna miss 2025? I'm not. Yes, stay gold. Yes, I am a truck driver. By 2025 and welcome 2026. Exactly. Yes, the views are beautiful. Sniff, sniff. And you can see some of the they have their Christmas lights still up. They'll have their Christmas lights lit up until after New Year's. A certain city, I don't know the city, but I know it's Carolina. Spartanburg. Spartanburg, Carolina.
Not supposed to be on.
Yes, most definitely. We will salute 2026. Rise and salute. Yes. Hi, Samantha. We're going to stop here and detach and reattach to the trailer because the ABS light is on. This is a truck stop. It's called the QT. You're welcome. Even though they don't consider us as essential workers, we're the ones that keep the world afloat. But they don't consider us as essential workers. But thank you very much. Thank you for the safe wishes. I appreciate you, Samantha.
Jump back here. Alright, let me grab my glove. This supposed to be I'm using one hand. Supposed to be secured at all times. Alright. Trying to set it where you guys can see. I had this light on. It's not supposed to be on. When it's on, that means something is wrong. So I'm dropping the trailer and I'm gonna reconnect. This is the landing gear. I'm bringing the landing gear down. One second. Give me the flashlight, please. And come over here. Pull the trailer out. Not too far. Okay. This right here releases the tractor from the trailer. And I'm hooking back up. Okay. Let me see if that problem still exists. This one will tell me this is electrical. Hooking it up back up to the trailer. And where is it? Light is off. If the light was on, that tells me something is wrong. And if the police sees that light on, they'll pull me over. Now, remember I wind this down. Time to wind it back up and hit the road. If it was like a rookie driver that did this, or if it was a rookie driver that sees that light on, they will have to call, break down, have a mechanic comes out. I've been doing this almost 30 years now, so I know little tricks that that you can do. Okay, hold on a second. Let me make sure that the pin is in and the trailer is connected properly. See that pin in the middle? It's locked. That's what connects the trailer and the tractor together. And everything is good. Sometimes there's little things you have to do to avoid the police pulling you over.
Sydney, hey Sydney, how you doing? Mr. Rockstar,
All right.
hey, how you doing? You from Cali too? You're in
All right.
Oregon now? Trying to fall asleep? Yeah.
Back in the truck on the road again.
Yeah, I've heard of Jeffrey Epstein. Thank you for the flowers, Village. I appreciate you.
Tell Village I'm on.
Well, thank you.
You heard
I
me?
appreciate you. Say what?
Tell Village I'm on too. 'Cause
Billy's going to eat lunch. He said it's lunchtime.
all right.
Yeah, we're both on live.
So
Respecting your feed.
everything is
We're
fine.
headed to Carolina.
Now I'm ready to roll.
We're in Georgia right now, headed to Carolina.
And I had to do that safety check. So the state troopers don't pull us over to do an inspection. We can get a ticket just for that light being on.
Now we're headed to the freeway. We just checked the ABS light, so we got that turned off. You know what, Rockstar? I do sometimes, and then sometimes. Right now, I don't, because of the weather is getting so crazy out there now. You know, all my family is out there, so we was out there last year for the holidays, and I enjoyed that. Oh, Chicago? Oh, no. I have friends in Chicago, and it's I believe it snowed there. At one point, it was 4 degrees out there. No way.
Okay,
It's
approaching
65. Yeah, I believe it.
approaching I-85. I would be headed north.
And then they have tornadoes out there. And when I was growing up out there, I've never heard of tornadoes. Why are they censoring you? Who's censoring you? Who's censoring you, Sydney? They're covering up the files? Of course.
This is the entrance to I-85 northbound.
Oh yeah, Crenshaw District for life. I used to live over that way off of Crenshaw and 52nd. Was it 52nd? Yeah, I think Crenshaw and 52nd.
When I get a little further up, when I get to the border, it says AGTV when I take over.
Yeah, the cost of living there is ridiculous. That's why I moved to Georgia because the cost. And now, even now out here, the cost of living kind of some, in a lot of places have gone up. No, we don't stream the entire trip, even though I could. But we don't stream it. Usually we stream for about an hour or more. 52nd, yeah. I live closer to the end, where close to Wilshire Boulevard, going toward that direction. You're in the 60s? Yeah. I live toward going toward Wilshire. We've been driving together now for 10 years? Yeah. That's Hoover? He said, no, ma'am. You're off 8th Avenue? Okay, between Florence and Slauson. Yeah. I know where that's at.
Don't forget to hit that like button.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah, I mean, look, and I don't do talk politics, but everybody that they voted him in, and he cheated to get in, so hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. A lot of people are regretting that vote. been expensive way before biking, for real, for real. Yeah, I grew up there. California's always been expensive.
California got to start getting expenses on the rate.
Yes, pretty much. We've driven to all states. Except for, what state we didn't go? We haven't been in?
Alaska, Hawaii.
Oh yeah. We haven't been to Alaska or Hawaii. Those are the only two states we haven't driven to. It's going kind of hard to get there, yeah. Alaska. If you're one of those type of people that like to drive in the ice, but I ain't with that though. I don't like to drive in the snow. We used to do that many years ago. New York. Anywhere in the East Coast where it snows, all up in there, Washington, Oregon, all that, they can have that.
That's West Coast. Just mention.
Well, the other side of Washington, what is it? It's two, well, not Oregon, but Washington, whatever. The East Coast, I don't like it.
That's not the East Coast you mentioned.
I'm just saying,
That's
I
the
don't.
West Coast.
I don't like driving in the East Coast.
East
I don't
Coast is
like
New York side.
driving in the snow. So wherever there's snow, they can have it. Nah, I'm not going through Canada either. I have friends live in Canada. We went there. We went there one time.
I'm with you.
Oh.
That's the first I did.
Yeah, we. My husband been to Canada, but I have not been. No, but I've been there to visit. That's about as close as it gets. I'm not driving over there unless it's in the summertime. I don't like snow. I was in a whiteout one time, and that was over there near New York. And that's, matter of fact, New York is where I found out why people wear those
Earmuffs.
not the earmuffs, the hoodies with the mouth thing that cover up your nose and your mouth. That's when I found out that's why they wear that. Because it was so cold. It was crazy cold. And I was like, and I had bought one. And then I was like, oh snap, my forehead was cold, everything was cold. Yes, North Dakota roads are treacherous, most definitely.
Up that side.
Last year, December, that's the last time I was in LA.
Up that side they get a thing called lake effect.
Oh yeah, that lake effect ain't no joke either. It doesn't snow on your side of Oregon, Interstate 5. Typically, it doesn't snow.
Oregon, I don't like it.
Yeah,
We used to
those
go there
ski
all the
masks.
time.
That's how I found out that's why they wear them out there.
We used to go to Oregon all the time with that FedEx load.
I'd rather drive during the day, but my husband he can't drive at night. He's a day person. So I drive at night and he drives during the day. I don't have no problem going to sleep during the day. He can't sleep during the day. I don't know why, it'd be pitch black in the back. But his brain works different. Yes, and plus night driving, you have less traffic. You don't have to deal with all the riffraff. Yeah, less drivers on the road. You just have to watch out for those drivers that are sleeping on the road. You have to watch out for those drivers. Yeah, right now it's early for him right now. Like out, as soon as we get to Carolina, then I'll be taking over. So yeah, it's early for him. Because when I finish driving, yeah, it's 1:12 there. It's 4:12 here. So, 3 hours difference. Is it bedtime for you, Rockstar? Yeah.
You got on.
Huh?
You got on.
1:09.
Damn. The most I had was 50.
Still good. Oh, you go to bed at 2 a.m.? Oh, okay. What time is it there? Rockstar, where you at?
Don't forget to smash that like button.
You on Eastern Standard Time?
Appreciate you guys riding shotgun with me.
Oh, that's right, you're in Oregon, so you're on California time. Much love from South Central. Yes, thank you, sweetie. Thank you for the safe wishes. We will. Thank you very much. And if you ain't heard those 3 words, remember, I love you. And don't forget to tell a loved one you love them, because tomorrow's not promised to anyone. And that goes for everyone that's in the chat as well. These days and times, you have to tell your loved ones you love them. Regular cell service. Regular cell service. My pleasure, my pleasure. Let loose, my pleasure. Florida, Grand Rising, how are you? Zoa?
Don't forget to smash that like button, guys.
I don't know if I'm saying your name.
We're on I-85 northbound.
1294. How are you this early morning day from Florida? It's early for you too. It's 4:15 there as well. You're on Eastern Standard Time. You're up early.
I'm 3 hours away from my destination.
Ride along, being here with me. We are headed to Carolina. Oh, you're a night owl as well, huh? And you haven't been asleep, so as soon as daylight hits, you're gonna be knocked out. Every day. I can hear you. maybe watching this will relax you. But some people like to watch the drive because it relaxes them. Sometimes it can be mesmerizing. Well, thank you. I'm glad that you are enjoying the view from a trucker's point of view. We see a lot of things sitting up high up here. You'll be surprised the things I've seen four-wheelers, we call them four-wheelers, do in their car while driving on the freeway. It's crazy. One of these times I'm gonna do a story time of all the stuff that I've seen people do in their car. Yes, I have. You would be surprised what I've seen. Trust me when I say. And each and everything that they have done or that they do is unsafe. I can say is, oh, they did.
Oh, he's got one over there.
Oh, we got two people at the same time.
Speed limit is 70 miles per hour. Why would you want to go over 70 miles per hour? And some part of Texas is 80, 85. And they pulling people over the speed. What's the sense of speeding when the speed limit is so high?
Your dad was the backseat driver.
Actually, I'm driving.
I'm talking to the chat.
Oh.
Anyway, so your dad was the backseat. Listen, sometimes when I drive,
Sorry, Princess AGTV's on her live.
passenger seat driver. Yes.
Don't forget to smash that like button, guys.
Make a little shout out tonight. Hi, Miranda. How you doing? Love to you too.
Oh,
Yeah. But he does it in the car as well. And that's my biggest pet peeve. That's why you put him in the back, straight out the gate. So you know this is what he do. This is something that your dad does a lot. He was probably every time you put on brakes, you were putting on brakes in the back. The back floor probably wore out. He was awarded one.
Welcome in, guys. Welcome into the live.
Oh, he was awarded the 1 million mile plaque. Oh, how cool is that? UPS? Oh, he was with them for a long time.
1 million miles, almost 10 years for a solo driver. What's going on here? Motorcycle? That's a bad place to be in for a motorcycle.
Welcome in. Hello, how you doing? Thank you for coming in. Please don't forget to hit that like button on your way in or on your way out. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. It lets me YouTube know that people are watching and interacting with us.
We are about 20 miles from the border. 15 to 20 miles from the border.
Thank you. Thank you, Gene. I appreciate you. Oh. Who that? Who that? Who that? I see that one with Louisiana. Who that? I have friends from Louisiana. Yeah. Thank you very much, Gilbert. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking. And you have a great day at work. And if I don't see you before the new year, happy 2026. I love you. Be safe. Give yourself a hug from me to you. Safe travels to you as well for the rest of the week. Thank you.
Again, I really appreciate you guys riding shotgun with me.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for the hearts as well. And don't forget to tell you love them, because tomorrow's not promised to anyone.
I'll show you guys when I crossed over into South Carolina.
Everyone in the chat. Chat, if you have a loved one that you haven't heard from in a while, give them a call. Check on them. Always check on your loved ones, please. especially around this time of year. Because the sun's not out all the time. Depending on where you are, it's cold. Some people have seasonal depression, where it comes on in the season, in the winter time. A lot of people, in the summertime, it's a good time. The sun is out, giving you energy.
Again, please don't forget to hit that like button. Double tap on your screen to like this video, please.
I'm begging, please check on your loved ones. And let them know. Go check on them, call them up. If you can go see them, give them a hug and tell them that you love them. You'll be amazed how far those 3 words go. Thank you guys for riding along with me this early morning. And for those of you that just waking up, grand rising.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Next 3 minutes is coming up is the scale house, aka weight station, aka inspection station, aka the chicken coop. Got a lot of names for this. We have a lot of names for this place.
Hello, how are you? Thank you for coming in. Please don't forget to hit that like button on your way in or on your way out. I appreciate everyone in the chat. Chat. Hey, big bro. How you doing? Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Thank you very much for coming. Please, if you could do me just that one favor,
It must be Amazon
hit
in front of me.
that like button on your way in or on your way out. You can double tap your screen or you can tap on those three buttons on the side to like.
Okay, the wait station, the lights that you see on my right, that's for the wait station and they're closed. Telling us
The wait station is clear.
AKA the chicken coop is closed.
The chicken coop is clear.
That's the entrance. Okay, time for this driver here. Speed.
Thank you,
That's the
everyone.
wait station over there.
Thank you, Chris. I appreciate you. Hey, Ryan.
Georgia
Oh,
wait
you
station
can hardly
usually
hear me.
closed when they have overnight drivers sleeping.
Much love to you, Ryan. Thank you very much. My voice is too low. The truck noise. Yeah, I think one of these times while I'm on live, I'm gonna hook up one of my mics to the phone.
And that's Amazon taking up 2 lanes.
Amazon is sleeping. Much love to you as well, Ryan. Thank you very much for dropping by. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you would like, you can subscribe as well. Thank you.
Hey Amazon, you look like you're tired there, buddy.
Sound like I'm running over every reflector. Well, my mount is fine. I have a very strong mount, but we're riding in a Anthem.
What makes that? Gotta tell them back and
We're riding in a Mac Anthem. And we got it when it was brand new, but it's a lot of things start coming, shaking apart. That helped a little? Okay, cool. Yeah, because we're not going, because the road right now is smooth, so you probably don't hear no bumps and stuff like that. If there's bumps in the road, you will hear it.
alright, coming up to the border. Next 7 miles.
Yeah, shaking apart. Yeah, things start getting this. I like I like Freightliners better than this truck.
Cascading.
No, it's not a Harley Davidson. It's a Anthem, a Mac Anthem. I don't like it. It's okay. In the beginning, it's okay because it rides so smooth. then after it gets some wear and tear, because we've been in this truck almost 2 years now. And stuff start rattling and shaking apart. Like right now, we're on a smooth road right now. Let there be a bunch of dips and cracks in the road. You'll hear every bit of it. And you'll feel it as well. But I like the Freightliner, and I also like what's that? Hey,
I don't know.
you love the big rig? Yeah. Yeah, big rigs is not, if you got starting young ones at home, big rig is not, driving trucks over the road is not for you. If anything, you would probably want to drive a truck where you can be home every night. OTR for the babies, no, that's not a good thing. Because you'll miss your children, and if you're married, you'll miss your wife. So yeah. The tapping noise, I don't know. Yes, okay, you got a Freightliner with the Mercedes engine. Okay. Delivering 5-gallon water bottles in Charlotte for 10 years. Okay. So you was home. Just under the weight, yeah.
We are 2 minutes away from the border.
Yeah, because like now, like we just do the southeast. We go from Carolina, we go to Texas, from Carolina to Texas, and Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, those spots. Those are the places that we go to. I ain't trying to be in no snow. We paid our dues on that one. Crossing the border soon. Yeah, I'm not going to the northeast. No, we done did that already. We been there, done that. I don't like it. So
Alright,
they can have that over there.
I want to welcome you to South Carolina. Welcome to South Carolina.
My husband said, welcome to South Carolina.
We are officially in South Carolina.
Officially South Carolina. I love the Volvo trucks too.
Same thing as this.
No, this is this.
Volvo.
I know Volvo did this truck, but I don't know how they
new
made
ones?
this.
The new Max and the new Volvo is the same thing. Can't tell them apart.
Oh wow. Just the whole mountain.
jungle in this one.
Let's
As
see.
you can see, as soon as we enter South Carolina, it starts to rain. As soon as we enter it, 2 miles.
I have a sturdy phone mount. It's not going nowhere. No tapping, no nothing. You hear the rattling in the truck. That's probably what you hear. That's the tapping noise. Now it's raining, sprinkling in South
As soon
Carolina.
as you cross that
As soon
border.
as you crossed over in the border into Carolina, it started raining.
Alright. Next 2 minutes we'll be getting off at the truck stop. So quite a few truck stops
Oh,
over
stop
here.
when I messed with it? Oh, okay.
Is TA Express and also the Love's Trout Center. Have some tea that I want to warm up. I got the good tea. The herbal tea. You guys can see that light up
Hey,
ahead,
Matthew.
that big yellow light.
Matthew,
That's the truck stop.
how are you? No, I
It's
don't
above
eat pork,
everything.
so I wouldn't try that. Double bacon cheeseburger. My husband would eat it though. But I try to stay away from, well, I've been away from pork pretty much all my life. I don't know what that is. Much love from South Carolina, from North Carolina, Homestead Safety. Thank you very much, Brian. I appreciate you. I love you. You be safe out there as well, and don't forget to tell your loved one you love them, because tomorrow's not promised to anyone. See you around. Thank you for the likes and everything. I love you, man. No, the tree climbing creature in South America. No, never heard of it.
Never heard of that.
I don't
A
know.
lot of stuff things climb trees.
You can turn the pressure button off. Well, we are here at the Love's truck stop. No, we're not stopping for tonight. I have 2 hours to go. But
This is you?
but I would
All
like
right.
to say,
Folks, Mega love shout out. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. I'll catch you in the next
Get
one.
some pizza while you're there. Nah, it's too early for that for me. But listen, Matthew, thank you very much. Matthew Owens, thank you very much for stopping by. And I'd like to thank everybody else that's in the chat